Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: phone with the Google Home app, new router SSID and password, and the device powered up near the router. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account the device uses. This links settings. Once done, disable phone VPNs and Bluetooth if active so the app can detect devices. Make sure you know whether your network is 4 GHz or 5 GHz because some devices prefer one. Then tap plus to add or manage devices and begin the change. Next, in the Google Home app, locate the specific device, open its settings, and choose Wi-Fi options. Forget the old network to clear credentials, then select Set up new network and follow the prompts to pick the new SSID and enter the password. Grant necessary permissions like location and Bluetooth so your phone can discover the speaker. This is why the app asks. If the device is not discovered, reboot the speaker and router, move closer, and try the setup sequence again to ensure a clean handshake. Finally, confirm the Google Home device appears online in the app and run a quick test like a voice command or casting audio to verify functionality. Once connected, allow any firmware updates to finish so stability improves. If you still have problems, check router settings, disable access point isolation, and ensure DHCP is enabled because those block device registration. Only perform a factory reset on the Google Home as a last resort. It clears account links, but often resolves stubborn network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.